5 plus root 10 divide 5 root 5 minus 2 root 20 minus root 32 plus root 50. We have to find out what is equal to. So first we can segregate like this way. 5 plus root 10, it will be unchanged. Then 5 root 5 minus 2, this 20 we can write 4 times 5 minus this 32 we can write 16 times 2 plus this 50 we can write 25 times 2. Why? Because all the things we have to find out, or we try to find out perfect square. 4 is a perfect square, 16 is a perfect square, and 25 is a perfect square. What is perfect square? If we square root any number and if the number is natural number, that number will be perfect square. Like 9 square root, it means 3. Now 5 plus root 10, 5 root 5 minus 2 times root 4, it means 2, and times root 5 minus root 16 is 4 and here is root 2 plus root 25 is a 5 and root 2. Then how it can work? Look, root a b, we can write root a and root b. Here is 5 plus root 10, 5 root 5 minus 4 root 5 minus here is 4 root 2 plus 5 root 2. Okay, then look, here is a 5 root 5 and minus 4 root 5, so here is simply root 5. 4 root 2 plus 5 root 2, so just plus root 2. This 5 we can write root 5 times root 5 plus this 10 we can write root 5 times root 2. Now from here we can take common root 5, so here is root 5 plus root 2. Okay, here is root 5 and root 5, and in below or denominator root 5 plus root 2. So finally we can divide this fraction by root 5 plus root 2. Finally we get root 5. This is number C is our correct answer. So this is very simple thing. Don't worry about this kinds of question if you face at examination hall. Just you need to careful plus minus and perfect square. So please subscribe my channel, which is MathJip. By this channel you will get lots of different type of question which is very important for aptitude test or any kinds of math challenge examination. Thank you.